Number 14 says use the diagram of the rectangle below to find the missing measures. So right here we're only given one angle, which is 59 degrees, and we have to fill out every single thing out here. So first, let's figure out the relationship between everything, what's equal to what, and this may get us much further than just trying to, try to do it in our heads. So this is 59 degrees, so this is 59 degrees, this is 59 degrees, this is 59 degrees. Then we have 5 would be equal to 4, which is equal to 2, which is equal to 11. And lastly, we have 10 will be equal to 7. And then 8 will be equal to 9. So this gives us a lot of information. So we can just redraw our rectangle so we can use that to kind of figure out the placement, because it's so much easier when you draw on it than it is to than it is to just try to fill this out. Because if you try to fill this out by yourself, good luck. 59, 59, 59, 59. So let's do a little bit of heavy lifting. That's 6. So 59's here. 1 and 3. 59, 59. All right. Next thing we could do here is we do know the relationship that at each vertex a right angle is formed. So what we have here is 3 and 4 add up to 180. So 3 plus 4 equals 90 equals 90. We do know the measure of 3, so we get 59 plus 4 is equal to, it's not good to use these numbers. We could just use 4, I guess. We know that what we're given. So we're not going to solve for that. It's typically not good to use numbers as a variable. So we know not to touch that 4. We subtract 59. Subtract 59. 90 minus 60 would give us 30. So this would be 31 is equal to 4, our orange numbers. Or not our orange numbers. We should have used green here. Oh well. Our green number 4. I just wanted to make sure that we knew those are variables. So maybe I'll just highlight it. It'll be a horrible color. Green, green. And then we have right here, this is our pink right here. Okay? So 4 is equal to 31. So that means this is 31, this is 31, this is 31, this is 31. Now, one of the last things we should do is we should focus on we should focus on this right here. So right here we have a thing called a triangle, and we know that a triangle is equal to 180. So the way we can solve this is do 180 is equal to the two angles of 31 plus 31 plus, we can call that, instead of 7, let's just call that A plus A. So we get 180 is equal to 62 plus A. We subtract 62 to figure out the value of A is going to be. Cancels. 180 minus 60 would give you, what is that, 120, and then 120 minus 2 would give you 118. So A is equal to 118. Okay, so that means all the orange colors will be 118. So that's 118. This is 118. Before we continue, let's just try to figure out what we haven't covered. So we did 4. 4 is 31. 5 is 31. 2 is going to be 31. Then 11 is going to be 31. And something I should have said earlier, to kind of even make it easier for you, if you highlight the ones that you're looking for right away, 2, 11, 4, 5, and then we have our 1, 3, 6 right there, Then we have 7, 10. Well, we just found our A, so 7 and 10 is 118 degrees. 118 degrees. Now we're looking for 8 and 9. Well, I don't want to use again numbers, so let's just call that B. That's a linear pair, so that means 180 is equal to B plus 118 degrees. Subtract 118 and figure out what it's going to be. If you're doing this in your head, you could do 180 minus 120. You would get 60, but we know we have to add 2 to it. So it would be 62, because look, 180 minus 118 gets you 62. It's good to know these little tricks. So we have 62 is equal to B, which is this placement. So 62, 62. So again, I know I didn't do it at the beginning, but it's kind of a good idea to highlight what you're doing just to keep yourself organized, because this problem right here is not that bad just filling this out, but making sure you have the correct order is crucial for the test.